Our customer Chen Construction is a demolition and earthwork contractor. They normally do demolition of industry building like this, and also sometimes they do earthwork for some large contractors. In 2023, we have a request from them to buy a new machine, 30-ton class. And after looking at their application, we find that the 333 will best meet their price point and also the application. The 333 is a wide chassis machine. We are able to put a 1.88 cubic meter bucket. The stake is 3.2 meter. It's a sturdy stake that's ideal for hammer application.
The cabin is very good, more space. The operator driving the excavator can have more comfortable with the space. This cabin, both sides have big glass, can see many things. Can see the people or danger one, everything can see this cabin. We have also big camera, can see 360-degree view. So operator, everything can monitor the driving the excavator time. Maintenance means the changing the oil, changing filter, everyday daily check. No need to up and down. One plus standby can check. This machine work also very fast to work. Then the movement also very good.